Quality and value are what to look for when buying any vehicle. At Auto Pedigree, all our vehicles represent the highest quality and best value in the used vehicle market. It's where quality and value go hand in hand. For example, this VW Polo Hatch TSi is one of SA's #1 sellers. At Auto Pedigree, you can buy this VW and any Auto Pedigree vehicle with complete confidence. This model will give you just what you're looking for in a quality family car. Safety for you and your family with dual front airbags, ABS, and power steering. You get economy with power in this VW with the 1.2-litre engine and 5-speed manual gearbox. 300 litres of boot space, plenty for your clubs, monthly shopping, or weekend away for a well-earned family holiday. They'll love you for it. This VW Polo TSi comes packed with style and features like front electric windows, alarm and immobiliser, great sound from the high fidelity sound system, powerful aircon, unmatched all-round comfort in its class. This late model, low-kilometer Polo Hatch TSi is incomparable great Auto Pedigree value. Plus, the complete confidence of dealing with SA's largest used vehicle group. We offer on-premises licensing, finance with up to 50,000 Rand deal assistance, insurance and roadworthy. Come in now and you could drive out the same day. It's what you'd expect from Auto Pedigree. At Auto Pedigree, we believe you deserve a great deal.